Hey, what's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel, Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. Now, in today's video, we're going to take a look at what Queen Ifrica has to say regarding KFC, saying Jamaican for stop eat KFC. Also, we see where she continued to burn a fire upon Romeich for all sorts of allegations. And she also shows the court documents that her father and brother is taking her to court for defamation of character. But before we get in the video, people, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See? Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. So now make we listen to the entire live of what she say.
The eye them come to Jamaica, come fly in a God face, talk up on a bag of Islamism and talk about Islamism. We know. And Romeich can big up him chest and laugh off a real Jamaicans and mock we and make it look like we don't nobody down here no more, because everybody get where them supposed to get from we now, so we can't go dead. Jamaican people, I'm begging you, stop eat KFC. Stop eat KFC. Stop drink rum. It is alleged for right now that Bill Gates have shares in D&G. It is alleged. It is alleged. Seeing? I want the item to understand that they are using you guys as experiment. Nobody love you so much to get up every day and fry all of these chicken, you know. You notice one of the youth when named Lulu we come with Swiss them at the party where him say them go to the river and him couldn't understand. Everybody was eating chicken. What this gonna make them do, no Jamaican people? Them use food and change the DNA. Them use food and drinks and trick no. And now you no know no self no more. You no know no self no more. Because them have no where them want to know. And that's why Romeich them, me tell, foot say wrong side, him a bad for him now. Listen me, you know. Because if him think say, them the people where him line up over there, so a cheer for. Any better than these way and then we out. He make a sad mistake in people. We up against two different type of devil. One leaving and one coming in. See? Now is the time for Jamaican people tell the world, say, it's not all we down here give his soul to the devil. It's not every Jamaican give them soul. I don't have nothing to prove to no one anymore, you know. Because it was not about proving anything to anyone, you know. It was about standing up and knowing, say, there is a country where deserve a little bit more than is given to it by all of these people who claim that they love Jamaica so much. You see, you Jamaicans in the diaspora, is a reason why they scattered you out there. Is a reason they know that a people without a country is not a nation. So them just go have no out there and drain no out and that slavery, you no have no head pound, no body, you no know what to do with yourself. That's why when you sit down on TikTok and indulge in these little devil where them put up there for that. The very reason for distract you from God, for telling you say you can wrong and strong, you can do as you like and be as you like, you can be anything and be a star. Because that is what it means to be a star. Don't strive to be a star, man. Strive to be a change maker. And a change maker for a positive reason. Show people say you did depressed, but now you do something better with your life and you try to help people along with you. The whole of you come on Swissly, you make sure you come out with for your upside down cross. You never see the shirt did have an upside down cross on it. The whole of you decay. You know what you do. The only thing why I can't agree with the one down a mobile name Britain. The gaffer true, she bad mind for truth. I call a spade a spade. That what she did was bad mind. And also you deal with things even if you have an issue around that. But then again, them will not have a shape the narrative in a young people in a Jamaica. They are the ones who everybody must see as Rosalie. Are you people if come see as role model. Nobody remember where you come from pan social media. Even as a little sister in where yeah, we didn't say you're big enough here and yeah, do your thing. The whole of you no sell no soul to the devil because of the things you sit down on that app and do a daytime and go on like say nobody not see it. And most importantly, you go on like say God not seeing. You know if you leave Jamaica, if you don't hate Jamaica so much, leave Jamaica no. If you not hate Jamaica so much and not care about how young people them live and how young people them operate, just leave the country. Don't change your identity. Do like the little girl we're married to the big mouth athlete boy where they engaged now. Do like she. Cuss on the country and turn on the back and go on. You understand? The whole I want to choose money over God. Jamaica people never used to frighten over money. Jamaica people never used to go on like money or nothing. We are the feisty set of people then. When we don't have nothing, we wall it. We wall out. We know how to wall out. We know how to work and do what we look what we have to do. Jamaica people no beg. Real Jamaican people no beg. Real Jamaican people no beg. Real Jamaican people, original Jamaican people no beg. Because you no kill them out. You see the government and the opposition, them have figure a world court. Them figure world court for the genocide against original Jamaican people. You no kill out the real inhabitants of the island and take away the island and raise up the demon them where you raise up as Jamaicans and them you no call Jamaican. You no kill out the real Jamaican them. You no kill them out and sodomize them out. You no sodomize them out and I try force them to accept say them as sodomite. Them are not sodomite. Them never believe in them something. They are forced. You no force them. You no them and force them. You see that paper here? As me I talk about I same place here, so me sit down and talk about my father and see it here. Then finally come find me and send court papers. You think me afraid? Me not afraid because he me for true. Me for true. He me for true. And me go to court. And me go sit down in a court and me go talk what happen for true. You understand what I say? Because the time come now for we stop afraid of predators in this island and people where are with children them and turn them in a advocates. After you with kids them and sodomize them, you no come and take them and turn them in a advocates too. Yes, Derick Morgan, yeah, your son them. Yes, me get the papers. Me not follow no protocols of law neither, because me don't know nothing about law. Me just about to go look into it you know. But as me talk and I write so me sit down, me make sure put the writer so far yesterday, because I so me sit down and talk the truth. Me not afraid of the devil. Me will never be afraid of the devil. Me not plan for afraid of the devil. No dear. And no one no have no big secret where them a come drop on me, because me did want me to become and I me if you come be the queen for rebel them and TC them. Rebel them and TC them a goddess. And they want turn them in and want them to believe so them are not nothing. And then for just walk and whine out and skin out themselves and them a lesbian today and tomorrow them straight and tomorrow them a lesbian. Move and go and make me start cuss no. Because no can no no grow and erode them and come back up you know. Seeing me want to know say a time now for the people them who been hurting in this island to stop hurt. Stop make these people and make no hurt. My father wrong for do what him do to me. Because him was supposed to be the one when me supposed to could have go lean pan and go say, Daddy, you know say them thing you reach me and them thing you happen to me. The funny thing about that, me did tell him those things already where did happen to me before me meet him. And he did only see me as somebody when him could have be pray upon cause him never see me as him daughter. And that is why him could have do me. Blind is no excuse. None of them something no excuse. That no mean to say you're not strong. That means say you not have strength. He did what he do that night. And now that them me get the court paper. Yes, American court them Morgan want to know if you know. Yeah, me get the court paper. Them and my heart no leap. I'm not afraid. Me ready. Figure a court and go talk my side. And make Derick Morgan come talk Fim side. Cause if you notice, that's why they go for the little transgender my demon sin thing. Down the so Romeich take put up in a hotel. I come try use Jamaica for sensitize, for desensitize Jamaica towards gender. We're moving up. I'm telling you something, man. It not gonna work. It not gonna work down here. We're standing up and we're standing up against the devil and we're not hiding. We're not putting anything behind no closed doors. We attack how we go. We not run from uno no more. Andrew all this. Mark Golden, uno illegal upon the island, and we are going to take actions against uno because uno been taking actions against we, and the actions that we are going to take is we not going to shed no blood this time. We are going to stand up and make uno know so we don't want to know no more, boy. We don't want to know no more. We tired for we pity them suffer. Oh, we get so much in a Jamaica. Oh, we have so much youth in a Jamaica. Where them come from? How them become so proud within the last 5 years or so. We have so much youths in Jamaica we're willing to stand up and talk so then I'm proud. How come? How come? But you don't like if me go on one side, go hide down. You don't like if me on one side, I cry down. You don't like if me on one side, I sell out. You don't soon see who I sell out, man. The whole of them name when me call, me not take back nothing. When me say about none of them, the whole of them are selling out. And I come in front of no face and I want to tell you, say I sell them, I selling out. Them are selling out. And I want to tell you now, Sean, 9K pong Sean, 9K pong 9 life. Line up yourself because when we go live again, we are going live to talk some real raw truth about this island here and what really are going down here. Because guess what? You say if Queen Ifrica got dead, at this me want dead for. Me no want dead for no foolishness. Me want dead for turn up and tell some people say Jamaica never was a slave country. Jamaica was a free country. I don't want to take away freedom and give it to Satan. We don't want to give Jamaica to Satan and we're not having it. Romeich, fire burn you anywhere you're there in a Bali youth. And me I tell you, say you see if you don't allow Jamaica and stop that something there where you come bright up yourself and I come make it look like you are the biggest Dynamite boy and you are the Dynamite ambassador boy and nobody can tell you nothing and nobody can talk to you and you don't care when nobody say because I uno say Saddam and I uno say this and I uno say that. A Saddam against Saddam, you know, a GLP set a Dynamite versus PNP set a Dynamite go on in front of no face. And that you know fi know here. That's why I tell you to say, because I give thanks to Jamaica people, because I open their mind and I open them eye, because them a see for themselves, say something wrong with a picture where them a paint boy, but they can't put them finger upon it. Well, we are going to help enough to put no finger upon it. And I just want to say again, no time that they hide not no more in other island, yeah. Easy. You see, Romeich, them a boss, or they can't get, I be a sheep, them a get a man, then take away young people, they made man. But we are got no worry on yourself, young people. We are work on something for help you, man. They nah get to no fi do that too, no fi rest out no life, man. You're mad, man. Move back, Romeich. Move back, Romeich. Move back, youth. I want to tell you. The Indian in a year fool you. You're tired, you know. Oh, okay.
Well, there you have it, people. That was Queen Ifrica. Let me know what you think of this whole thing from Queen Ifrica. Do you agree with her? And what's your thoughts and opinion? So, people, thank you for watching. Do remember, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, do so. Give the video a thumbs up. And as I said before, please leave a comment in the comment section. And with that, people, we catch you in the next video.